As we're going for dinner. What's out? What's out? Ending. Freezing 13 degrees. My God. Oh. Hello. Happy birthday. So we're going upstairs, guys. We're going upstairs. And boys.
We're having a 10 hour and 2 shower including that. Sorry? Yeah, a 10 hour and 2 shower. Yes.
This is the place, guys. So it's so quiet because of the COVID protocol. Eastern Tiger. There's a car dealership there. This is the table. So, yeah, beside you. Huh? Who's in the end?
This one, you can sit here or Ryan.
Yeah, okay.
Where do you want?
Doesn't, maybe I just here in the end, guys. Tingin-tingin lang tayo dito sa labas. Yan, magandang view, daming car. So, pili-pili tayo. Car dealer. Sana one day. So, wala pa yung mga bisita. So, ako pang dito sa akin lahat. And the dinner, guys, because yung government dito may libre silang free dine-in and discovery voucher. So, parang libre lang din yung bayad namin. So that's the counter there, reception area. So where are they? That's the reception there. They're not here yet, so welcome.
What would you like, Mel? Coke?
So you're very special. No, thank you, Hannah. Just drink water. Yes, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, water. So, Reinhard, it's your special day. Where you going, Nika? Okay. Guys, that's the visitors there. What she said? The birthday celebrant. What else she said? Waiting for you. We bring
Not until
Coke? Water?
on this. Oh, next week maybe.
hello, we miss you.
You see, Russell Crowe's going to build a big studio.
Hello. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
How you going, darling?
Kamusta? Where's Kamusta? Sabi ko, asa naman yun? Finish eating na.
You know what?
Unbelievable. More than worse. Anything you want to imagine, you don't want to look good. They do it.
Hello. So the food is all gone. Finish eating. Hello, Cherry Berry. At the other end.
I'd love to go to Amsterdam when they go over that bridge.
Long distance.
I know more, you want to go across that bridge.
So it's all finished. The food.
Oh yeah, you mentioned to us. Did you know, lady?
Dry custard.
I start eating healthily now. I don't know how poor Ing can live with herself after losing all that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Reinhard. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Here's a delicate fan of
Yay! Happy birthday! That's the birthday cake with a birthday celebration. Santa the cake.
That's the broken cake. That's the broken cake.
And this is the broken cake.
Nothing wrong with it.
Yeah. Pay.
Some plastic. Thank you, dear. That's okay.
Are you sure? Oh.
Hello. All right. How are you? Video ka na. I'm sorry. Video Ha? Massage?
You don't like massage, do you?
Only local massage you.
She never had massage.
Hello. You're right there, guys. Okay. Good. That's a video.
the picture.
So we're going home na, guys, after our dinner. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. Let's going home tonight. Huh? Yes. Yes. Miss Philippines and Miss Balinese. Let's going home. Ho, ho, it's cold. Thank you. We're going home now. Bye. See you next time. Cold. Winter in Australia. Where did you park, Dai?
Oh, cold.
It's cold.
Downstairs.
This is the nights looks like here in Australia. We're going upstairs.
Okay, I'm talking to you.
With the cake.
It's upside down.
That's everyone's gallery now. That's the extra bus. And everyone is keep coming, guys. So, sobrang tahimik. Yan ang car park. Daming car. So, there's our car there. Why are you eating? I come home. Hey?
There were 4 occupants at the time. Today, the house
Hey.
is scarred with bullet holes.
Talk to me.
The car parked outside, hit multiple times, was towed away. The shots are believed to have been fired from a white hatchback.
Are you
And
eating?
in a street nearby.
Why you wiggle your tail for? Hey! Does he? Foxy!
A car was found dumped and on fire.
Wait, you're not so quick. It's crazy. What about the neighbour's house?
All that was left, a charred, smouldering wreck, which was seized.
He's eating his bikis na because I'm
While the investigation is
home.
still in its early